Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete a project in Jira. This one is really simple and straightforward. Just follow my steps. Navigate to the project section and expand it if needed. Now you should see all of your projects. In my case it is these 4. In order to delete some, I can use 2 options. The first option is to go right here to these more actions and then manage projects. It will show me all of my projects, and now I can simply delete them just by going right here to more actions and click on move to trash. So let's say I want to delete this second, so I will go to move to trash. Now move to trash, and as you can see, only Jira admins can restore the service project from trash within 60 days. So after 60 days it will be permanently deleted. So click on move to trash, and now you can see that it is in trash. And when you go to trash, the project is right here and the deletion schedule is set right here, and you can delete it right now if you want, or restore it. So if you want to delete it, then delete it right here as well to completely and permanently delete this project. And as you can see, it is deleting now. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.